Include your children in the little things, even when it slows you down, even when it takes twice as long, even when the kitchen gets messier, the house gets louder, and nothing goes perfectly. Because that's not the interruption, that's the moment that matters. Your children were never meant to grow up watching life from the sidelines. They were meant to be part of it. Let them help stir the batter. Let them carry the grocery list. Let them fold the clothes, even when every shirt comes out backwards. Because in those small, ordinary moments, something deeper is happening. You're not just finishing chores, you're building trust, you're creating memories, you're showing them you belong here, you matter to this family. And one day, they won't remember how clean the house was or how fast everything got done. They'll remember that you made room for them, that you were patient with them, that you chose connection over perfection. The world will always try to rush you, but your child was never the reason to hurry. They're the reason to slow down. If you're not following, you're probably never going to see us again. But if you are, then congratulations, you're growing every day.